Yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. Let's play, everybody. Let's play.
Stay with me. Stay oh.
Guys, pa-follow ako, guys. McKenna Man.
Lalim. Ano lalim? Atay, naantok na ako, guys. Wala kasi akong boyfriend. Wala ka akong ka-kiss-kiss. Ay, wala akong kakadul.
You there, you're done? Are you done?
Yeah, very good si Ryo Kiss. Wala akong kaputukan. Ganito talaga, guys. Pagmamahal! Ay.
Lahat ng pagmamahal. Go.
My cousin.
This year,
Hi!
we go all around the world.
Fine na lang yung cat. Guys, yung pusa ko, guys, ano tawag yun? Oh my God, ang sakit na.
Good morning.
Ano dyan ka?
Morning. Good morning.
Wala kaming grahams, guys. Wala kaming foodies. Kasi,
Baka may magbigay.
ano, buntis? Wala akong chan. You see that? I don't
Yeah.
have tummy.
Kamanayaw ta.
Something about the way she
I can't figure it out. Something about her.
Paano ba mag-dance?
Something about the woman that wants you but don't need you.
Hello, George Leon. Thank you so much for the...
Uy, malong daw, uy.
Thank you so much for the corner. Thank you, called Merchant. Oh, another corner. Uy, nag-invite. No invite. Yawa! Thank you so much for the corgi Kobe Merchant.
Pag may nag-send ng corgi, shake niya talaga yan.
Hey!
Wala!
Won't you come and spend a little time?
Yapin na yung mga Pinoy. Thank you so much.
Bisaya ba?
For the corgi. Who sent that? Oh my God, Kobe Merchant, thank you so much for the corgi.
Ooh, there's something about kind of woman
Mga naman kayo na sila
I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of
Happy New Year, everybody.
Naka-text si Rai? Uy, text si ba? Wala.
Work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a busy
Nakakailubat ko.
and the bills are paid on time. She made for the boss, only boss. Anything that she fell in
Guys, I need more corgi. I need Benedict's more corgi. That's why I love her. Listen. Oh my God! Thank you so much, Kobe
Shake labi na.
Merchant. Holy Corgi.
That's why I love her.
Ako na po, Ben. Asan mo ta?
Ganun may nagamit na to.
Mari, nag-unsa naman sa kadira. Mari.
Malamang.
Ako si Shiko yan.
Don't worry, I got it.